Why does brain cell death occur in dementia? Imagine your brain as a bustling city where each neuron is like a busy worker performing vital tasks. In dementia, many of these workers start to leave or become unable to do their jobs, leading to the city's decline. This process of brain cell death happens because of a mix of complex biological events that interfere with how neurons function and survive over time. One major reason is the abnormal buildup of proteins like beta-amyloid and tau. These proteins can misfold and clump together into plaques and tangles, which are hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. These protein deposits cause stress inside neurons, disrupt communication between cells, and activate harmful pathways that can lead to cell injury and death. Neurons also undergo programmed cell death, known as apoptosis, and other forms of cell death like necroptosis and ferroptosis. These processes are triggered by cellular stressors such as damage from reactive oxygen species, which are harmful molecules that cause oxidative stress. When mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of cells, don't work properly, they produce less energy and generate more oxidative stress, making neurons more vulnerable to damage. Excessive stimulation by neurotransmitters like glutamate can cause toxic calcium to flood into neurons, damaging their structures and leading to cell death. In Alzheimer's, amyloid beta oligomers can cause abnormal calcium entry through faulty receptors, further harming neurons. Additionally, neurons in dementia sometimes fail to properly turn off their stress responses. When stress pathways stay active too long, they can push neurons toward death. Emerging research also shows that toxic RNA molecules, which are short strands of genetic material, can accumulate in aging brains and interfere with the production of essential proteins needed for neuron survival. Normally, protective RNA molecules help prevent this damage, but as we age, these defenses weaken, leaving neurons more exposed to harm. Another interesting aspect is that some neurons try to re-enter the cell cycle, which they are not supposed to do once they are mature. This abnormal attempt to divide causes the cells to die instead of dividing, contributing significantly to neuron loss in dementia. All these factors, protein buildup, oxidative stress, calcium overload, faulty stress responses, toxic RNA accumulation, and abnormal cell cycle activity, combine to overwhelm neurons' natural survival mechanisms. This leads to the progressive loss of brain cells, which manifests as memory problems, cognitive decline, and other symptoms of dementia. Understanding these processes is crucial because it guides scientists in developing treatments aimed at protecting neurons and slowing disease progression. While there is no cure yet, ongoing research continues to explore ways to target these harmful mechanisms. Always remember, if you or a loved one are affected by dementia, consulting healthcare professionals is essential to get personalized care and support.